cotton candy dress, cream puff pastries, and a game of chess, soft composure, calm like lilies on the pond, a hunt for closure, and an iron bond, it's delicate when it needs.
So, breakfast for today is toasted bread na may sunny side up. Hindi ako nag-matcha today and hindi ko pa nahuhugas yung bottle ko. But anyway, hugasan ko later. So, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog kasi nagkasakit ako ng mga nakaraang araw. Plus, naulanan din ako. So, yun, naghalo-halo na. Until na meron pa rin akong ubo at sipon. Pero, a little bit na lang kasi last week di ako nakapasok. Like, isang araw lang ako nag-onsite, just the rest is SL na, tapos work from home. So, good thing kasi pwede kami mag-work from home if hindi talaga kaya mag-onsite. Or else, i-cancel mo siya. So, anyway, kakain na ako. That's it. Yummers. Toasted to, pero hindi na siya ganun ka-crunchy kasi nga kanina ko pa siya tinoost sa bahay. Pero okay lang, hindi naman siya bothersome. Bothersome! Today is a Tuesday, time check, it's 6:14. Medyo makulimlim pa din and maulan. Pero hindi na siya yung katulad last week talaga na buong linggo. Maulan. By the time na pinapanood itong vlog na to, nag-edit pa ako ng vlog na i-upload ko this weekend. Like, 2 weeks ko na siya ina-edit kasi hindi ako nagkakaroon ng time na i-edit siya kasi natamad ako. And yung vlog na yun is 20-minute vlog. Kasi minomotivate yung sarili ko na mag-vlog. Pero more videos to upload. Yun nga lang, ang problem ko, tapad ako mag-edit. So, ano na? Anyway, tapusin ko na itong breakfast ko and then magkukulot ako after as usual. And then after ko magkulot, mag-work na tayo because today is last day of the month. You know the drill, guys. Bye. See you later. Hey guys, so today is a pretty hectic day for me and most of what you see is me working, and honestly my routine looks pretty much the same every day. Wake up, commute, work, go home, and repeat. It might seem boring, but that's the reality of corporate girl life. Some days are chill, some days are chaotic, and today is definitely one of those, but I've learned to embrace it. Because even the repetitive days are part of the bigger picture. And not to sound dramatic or emotional right now, but with everything happening lately, I realized how important it is to prioritize your mental health. To slow down, reflect, and do what makes you happy. Without rushing the process, of course. So, take this as advice from your virtual big sister. Yes, big sister. So, don't be too hard on yourself because you're doing your best, even if it doesn't always feel like it. take things one day at a time, rest when you need to, and keep going. Alright, enough talk. Let me bring you along my week and show you how it actually goes. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Pepper Lunch. Kumuha kami ng passport kay JP.
Ito yung nakakuha ng passport.
Tada! Baliktad!
Unboxing.
Umorder kami ngayon ng kani salad. Pahinga muna kami sa Yakiniku like kasi makapurga na kami. Anyway, sabi ni ate, ito daw yung best seller nila. Sarap. Try it. Yun. Sarap mo. Sarap guys yung salad nila. First time, bago lang yan. Kasi sinalo ko na siya, pero in-order ko is chicken pepper rice. In-order niya is Supreme
Pepper rice.
Pepper rice. Butik pa kami umuwi. Siya lang pala. Kasi, kalimutan niya yung resibo. Eh, kailangan yung pagkukunin mo yung passport. So, buti na lang, hindi. Kasi lakas ng ulan mo. Say hi. Galing guys. Very 2030.
Sa future na kami.
Ang galing. Dito na ako ngayon sa pwesto ko. First agenda, magkukulot tayo. Kasi if you know me, inuuna ko talagang magkulot pagdating dito sa office. Meron na akong kasama dito. Pagdating ko, mas maaga pa sa akin. Time check, it's 6:10. And meron na akong kasama. Dati, ako yung una dito. And si Nathan, yung una dito sa office. Pero ngayon, ang dami ko nang kasama. Yun o, tingnan nyo. Actually, nagkulay na ako ng buhok. Gumamit ako ng L'Oreal Paris. Yung nasa box. Pero hindi ako marunong magkulay. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung black hair ko. Tapos may kita nyo dito. Mayroon akong brown hair. Tapos brown dito. So, gusto ko na ipaayos yun. Siguro, ipapakolor ko is dark brown, close to black. Para kapag humaba yung hair ko, hindi masyadong visible na yung roots is tumubo na, gano'n. Hopefully, makapagpaayos na tayo ng buhok. Ito talaga yung ang tawag doon. guys! Good morning! Halib ako today kasi papaayos tayo ng buhok. Ang inat, wait lang. Magpapagupit ako ng buhok, magpapakulay ako ng buhok, and then after is magpapa-alter ako ng pants. Baka dumaan din ako ng ukay-ukay kasi kailangan ko ng damit for Halloween. See you guys later!